Oklahoma City was devastated by a strong tornado. A strong tornado stayed at least 40 to 45 minutes maybe. Even though they don't know the Lord, that time the Lord reminded them, "Here I come," and say, "Yes, Lord, help us." Tornadoes, and they are so devastated. But anyway, we're so blessed that we have God who always hold us fast. A strong and devastating tornado is strike Oklahoma City. In times like this, we need to pray. Our faith is still intact as long as we cling our faith on Christ. Our strength is coming from the Lord.